I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta very easily. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. These basic components are all you need to create delicious, fresh pasta right in your own kitchen. It's a straightforward process that yields incredibly satisfying results, perfect for any meal. Next, we'll combine our ingredients. On a clean surface, make a well in the center of your flour and crack the 2 eggs directly into it. Add the salt and olive oil. Using a fork, slowly incorporate the flour from the edges into the eggs until a shaggy dough comes together. Then, it's time to knead. Work the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic, indicating proper gluten development. After kneading, the dough needs a little rest. Cover it with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it sit for 30 minutes. This crucial step allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll. Once rested, divide your dough into 4 manageable portions. Now, using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece very thinly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch. Consistency is key here. Finally, it's time to transform your thin sheets into beautiful pasta. You can cut them into various shapes, such as classic fettuccine or wide tagliatelle, using a pasta cutter or a sharp knife. Once cut, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. It cooks much faster than dried pasta. Drain, toss with your favorite sauce, and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.